This is English overall.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or even good evening, everyone watching right now. My name is Puttasin Phengwongsa, but people keep calling me Long. Yeah, whatever. Today I'm here as a guest creator for the page English Overall, which helps people become more active to learn English. Yeah, I'm a local boy from the capital, just finished high school last year, and currently at the same time, I am studying two schools, which are the National University of Laos and Lao International College, that is about English learning. I'm very interested in learning new lessons and sharing experiences to people as much as I can to help them become better in many ways. I'm so friendly that people ignore hesitating to greet me, but I'm not an easygoing person. Okay, if you want to get to know about me more, just go on my Facebook account. Appear on the screen, I'm always online there. If you don't touch me, just try it. At first, I studied English just to impress girls. I also believe people look smarter when they are able to speak just language. Therefore, I tried so hard, but still, the result was nonsense. Since the graduations of my high school times, I have been studying so hard just to go on the top levels, on the grounds that I have found the most important part of my future work. I get great support and inspirations from many people and sections, especially this page, English Overall. It helps a lot. English is the international and official language. Therefore, you must know the language in order to work smoothly. I think it will be more comfortable to go anywhere in the world. It's impossible to have connections with foreigners without English knowledge. I think once your English is upgraded, you feel like you are on the top of this world, because that's how I feel now. The possibility you will be the same as me is increasing. Back then, the very thing that stopped my advancements was my own laziness and procrastinations. Whatever I did, wherever I went, it was so hard to take out of my books or anything about English. Instead, I paid my mobile phone, which is no good to make my dream come true. I always had good plans to study, but something else dragged me away. Even I had probably financial straightening. I act like I was out of fun because I spent it for other entertainment. I was so bad. Everything was ready for me because of my proud parents. However, right now, I'm not the same person anymore. Then, it feels like I was out of control. Classes were ignored. Broken till the day my friend reminded me of success image. Fortunately, the admin this page helps me a lot with learning techniques. He is giving me his experience on how to get better grades at college. The key is this: I overcome my problems by motivation from fans and other surrounding people who want me about anything. I think they are lacking of enthusiasm, confidence, carelessness, thoughtfulness, and inspirations. They are trying to cope with everything in a very short period of time. Moreover, they may study in the wrong places and wrong time. Sometimes people tend to be like they are discouraged when they don't remember things they should and finally stop learning. I highly recommend that we should believe we can do it. Remember that little but consistent is better than much but absent. There is nothing much. The way I learn it is by watching a lot of English movies, and I note down everything I see and hear. This way, my eyes and ears work together and send the important information to the brain. Every morning, I learn 2 new words before I get out of my bedroom. Lastly, before I go to sleep, I listen 1 or 2 English songs. It refreshes my mind when I listen to it. Therefore, to have a lot of practice will make you better or even perfect. It's not like you know things down and then you go out and have fun. The next day you do the same thing. No, it doesn't work. Let me tell you something. Consistency is the key role to become the best version of you. Like I said, I love sharing knowledge and experiences, so one thing seems to be effective is online way. Creating a page that teaches people is one of my dreams as well. Online is the creative access to people, the purpose to just help our society become better and closer. Of course, the most important thing to get forward is surround yourself with people like whom you want to be in the future. They love learning new things like me, as of a slightly different point of view. Each of everyone's distinctiveness make the best component in our community. People always say we can't get good company with the one with differences. But I think there is wrong sense of our society. But anyway, we still grow. Listen people, if you don't get what you want right now, don't get discouraged. I recommend that you continue doing what you love. Remember that what you learn or study doesn't matter. What matters is how well you turn just knowledge into the result. Put that knowledge into actions because action is the only way to get new experiences. And the experience is the only best way to become better recorded. The hint is that you go out and learn new things from real life. Talking to strange people, having communications with educated friends, and doing new things that challenge you. Don't be afraid. It doesn't matter how deep you fall. What matters is how high you bounce back. Right now, you study English. Just rely on me or other successful English learners as your examples. Or you can learn with this page English overall. Riddle by riddle, step by step. It's better than much at a time. Keep fighting. Get out of your comfort zone.สู้. Embrace my encouragement right here. See you next time. Till then, keep learning. This is English overall.